In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download or view a PDF of your tax return in TurboTax. If you need a copy of a previous tax return for your records, printing, or sharing with a tax professional, TurboTax makes it fairly simple to access that document right from your account dashboard. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to go and what to look for so you can quickly open or download the correct file. To begin, sign in to your TurboTax account. Make sure you use the same account that was originally used to prepare or store the tax return you want to access. If you have more than one account, it's a good idea to confirm you're in the right one before moving on, since your documents will only appear under the correct profile. Once you're signed in, go to the home screen. This is the main account page, where TurboTax shows an overview of your tax activity and available documents. Take a moment to scroll down until you see the section labeled Your Tax Returns and Documents. This is the area where TurboTax organizes returns by year, making it easier to find exactly what you need without searching through multiple menus. When you find that section, look for the tax year you want to access. Be sure to select the correct year, especially if you have returns from multiple filing seasons saved in your account. Choosing the right year is important, so you open the correct version of your return and avoid downloading the wrong file. After selecting the desired tax year, you'll see the option to click Download PDF or View PDF. If you choose View PDF, the return will usually open directly in your browser, which is helpful if you just want to review it quickly. If you choose Download PDF, the file will be saved to your device so you can keep a copy, print it later, or upload it where needed. If the PDF opens in a new tab, give it a moment to load completely before closing anything. And if you're downloading the file, it can help to remember where your browser saves downloads so you can find the document easily afterward. That's all there is to it. By signing in, scrolling to your tax returns and documents, selecting the correct tax year, and choosing either View PDF or Download PDF, you can access your TurboTax return in just a few clicks.